Curious about how to safely log out of your Instagram account? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to log out of Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll all the way down. If you want to log out of only this account, then tap on Log Out. But if you want to log out of all the logged in account on your device, tap on Log Out All Account. This is how to log out of Instagram account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.